introduces the Magic Mount Charge 3, the next evolution of wireless charging. With a choice of 4 base options, there's one to suit every need and supports Apple and Samsung Fast Charge. The Magic Mount Charge 3 is the first vent-mounted wireless charger that provides open access for climate control airflow. You stay comfortable while your phone stays fully visible and fully charged. The Magic Mount Charge 3's wireless charging head delivers up to 10 watts of charging power and is Qi certified. The vent mount's fully articulated swing arm with 2 ball joints independently rotates 360 degrees. And the adjustable magnetic mounting points allow even more maneuverability and endless viewing angles while your phone charges. With its unique open design, the Charge 3 vent holds your device securely and visibly while air from your vent flows freely through. Vent mounts are quick and easy to install and move from vehicle to vehicle. You can move your device to either side, above, or below the vent and adjust the angle, all while the base remains securely anchored. When held in place by the device-safe neodymium magnets, a thermal management gap is created between your phone and the Qi charging head. The gap allows heated air to escape and cooler air to move in. The ambient light sensing LED ring illuminates soft blue during normal charging, but flashes red to indicate foreign object detection. The Window Dash's stick grip base lets you mount the Charge 3 on any flat surface at home, in the office, or in vehicle. The dash mount uses Scosche automotive-grade adhesive to hold your mount securely on most surfaces, while the pivoted base offers multiple viewing angles. The double pivot can be mounted in several places in your vehicle, home, or office. The stick grip suction cup base and double pivoted base holds securely and offers multiple adjustments and viewing options. The future of wireless charging has arrived in the form of the elegant and practical.
The Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor actively monitors your car's engine and internal systems. Simply plug it in under your dashboard and sync to the free Zeus Smart Driving Assistant app. Hit Scan, and the Zeus Safety Center will scan your vehicle for any issues, so that you won't find yourself stuck on the side of the road. As you drive, the Zeus app continues to gather data and monitor your vehicle. If your check engine light comes on, the Zeus app can help you understand what's wrong in simple terms and how to fix it. Clear the light yourself for minor issues. Hit the road with confidence, knowing that Zeus has your back.
the perfect all-around tool for cleaning, degreasing, and disinfecting your vehicle. Its even distribution of foam ensures the most controlled, scratch-free wash possible. Putting your cleaning sprayer together is a breeze. Simply pour the cleaning solution into the easy-to-fill mouth of the tank. Next, connect the tank to the sprayer and the nozzle to the hose. Finish by attaching the sprayer to the nozzle. To choose how much solution you want to release, adjust the dial setting. Turn the dial to A to release the lowest concentration of cleaning solution. For the highest concentration, turn the dial to E. Once you're set, you can start cleaning. To rinse, simply disconnect the sprayer and tank before you spray. Taking care of jobs the clean and easy way
is easy to install. Position the mat at your ideal parking spot. Then use the included heavy-duty tape to keep the mat in place park after park. The parking mat helps you perfectly park any type of vehicle. Whether it is a car, SUV, van, light truck, or even a golf cart or RV, you'll park in the perfect spot. Now you can use your remaining garage space for storage and organization. After you hit the first hump, the second larger hump signals you to stop. You'll know you are parked right. Use the Park Right parking mat to get the most out of your garage while protecting your car and belongings from parking mishaps. Available in black, red, and yellow.